In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create CRM course using HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to structure your course, build a landing page and enrollment flow, deliver lessons, and track results, all inside HubSpot. Start by planning your course structure. Map out the modules you want to cover, such as an introduction to CRM, setting up HubSpot, managing contacts, email marketing, and automation with workflows. Keep lessons short and focused. 5 to 10 minutes works well, so learners can make steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Draft simple learning objectives for each lesson and note any resources you'll need. Next, create your course content. Record your video lessons with a tool like Zoom or Loom, and prepare supporting PDFs, worksheets, or checklist. Upload these files to HubSpot's file manager so assets are centrally hosted and easy to link in emails and pages. Clear file names and folders will save you time later. Now build your course landing page. In HubSpot, go to Marketing, then Landing Pages, and create a new page. Add a concise course title, a brief description of what learners will achieve, and the key benefits. Include a prominent sign-up form and a direct call to action, such as enroll in free CRM course. Keep the page clean, mobile-friendly, and focused on one goal: enrollment. If you haven't created the form yet, you'll do that next. Create your enrollment form under Marketing, then Forms. Include name, email, and an optional business field. This form not only registers students, but also grows your email list for future updates. Keep it short to maximize conversions. Decide how you'll deliver the course. The simplest option is an email drip using workflows. After sign up, send a welcome email, then schedule lesson 1 for day 1, lesson 2 for day 3, and lesson 3 for day 5, and so on. Alternatively, create private hidden pages for each lesson and share links only with enrolled students. Or host videos externally, such as on Google Drive or as unlisted YouTube videos, and share the links through HubSpot emails. Set up automation under Automation, then Workflows. Use form submission as the trigger, then add actions to send lesson emails, add contacts to a list, and tag them for segmentation. Create your course emails in Marketing, then Email. Each message should open with a short intro, include the video link, provide any downloadable resources, and end with a clear next step. Track engagement inside HubSpot by watching open rates, click rates, and form submissions. Use this data to refine timing, subject lines, and content. If you plan to monetize, integrate a payment option like PayPal or Stripe and grant access after payment confirmation. Finally, promote your landing page on Facebook, TikTok, and through email campaigns, and run ads if budget allows. Before launching widely, enroll yourself to test the full experience from form to final email.